They made us each give up our possessions. Fuck. I needed gold to make a ring, so that it could be sold, cause the gold brings cha-ching. But then some man came proclaiming he was wise, stole the gold from my hand, what an evil surprise. So you're welcome, baby. You're welcome, baby, for my myrrh, my frankincense, my gold, my myrrh, my frankincense, my gold, my myrrh, my frankincense. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. I needed myrrh to make some pills, for my cat wouldn't purr and the myrrh cures the chills. It died, cause instead some man came, stole the myrrh from my hand, didn't say nothing, just stole it and ran. So you're welcome, baby. Welcome. You're welcome, baby, for my myrrh, my frankincense, my gold, my myrrh, my frankincense, my gold, my myrrh, my frankincense. Da-dum, 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 da-dum. I needed the franc to fix my toe. I stubbed that shit hard, but the toe had to go. For he took it from me, took the toe from me too. So you're welcome, baby. I hope you lose your toe too. It's literally just a baby. Isn't this how it always is? Men take from us and claim it as his. Oh, isn't this how it always reads? Some story of giving when really it's taking. Oh, isn't this how it always is? In this life it's not hers, it's always his. Oh, oh, so you're welcome, baby. You're welcome, baby, for my cat, my pinky toe, my ring, my cat, my pinky toe, my ring, my cat, my pinky toe. For everything that was precious and mine, I'll try to move on, but you'll be just fine. I'll try to go on, but you'll be just fine. We'll try to move on, but you'll be just fine. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum.